Let's look at how to install latest Pixel Extended version 2.8 on Xiaomi POCO F1. Before getting started, if you are new here, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work. Subscribe if you like them. To begin with, you need to have a unlocked bootloader, a custom recovery installed, and the ROM file. Links are mentioned in the description. Once they are downloaded, keep it inside your SD card. If your phone is encrypted, else it is fine with phone memory. Now quickly get into settings and remove all security measures, including Google accounts linked with your phone. If you are from MIUI, remove MIUI account. Once this is done, power off your device. Now press and hold power button followed by the volume up key till you see the boot logo. Once you are in your recovery, first is to select Wipe and select Dalvik Cache System Vendor Data. Select the internal memory if your phone is encrypted. If it is not, no need to select internal storage. Once all are selected, swipe to Wipe. Once formatting finishes, select Home. And now let's flash the ROM file. The build is GAppt version, so no need to flash any separate GApp variants. Select Install and navigate into ROM file. Select the ROM file and swipe to flash. Wait until installation finishes, and once it is done, make sure that there is no errors noticed. Wipe Dalvik cache and flash any DFE if you want your phone to be decrypted, else you can skip this step. Once it is done, reboot your phone into Thank you.